Service goes to Munu Singh, 6-2. Munu Singh points 6, Ambazari points 2. Match running. Service goes to Ambazari, Captain Mohan, 2-6. 2-6. Ambazari points 2. Service goes to Munu Singh players. 6-2 score. Manu Singh scores 6. Ambazari scores 2. What a match. First match. Morning match. Mohan versus Avinash. Ambazari's captain Mohan and Manu Singh captains Avinash. Match is running. What a shot. What a take in. Yes. Good match, good game, good players. Two teams players are playing well. What a timing. Right, 7-2. 7-2. Ambazari points 2. Manu Singh points 7. Match is very interested. What a taken. What a match. What a shots. This is a morning match. First match. Ambazari versus Manu Singh. Ambazari 7 points. Sorry. Service goes to Manu Singh, points 8. Manu Singh points 8. Ambazari 2 points. Match is running. Who is win? What a taken. What a match. This is first match. Manu Singh versus Ambazari. Home ground, Ambazari grounds. Manu Singh players. What a play. Service goes to Ambazari. Score 2-8. Ambazari points 2. Manu Singh points 8. Match running. What a game. What a match. What a game. This is a Daba volleyball from Ambazari. Goes to Manu Singh player. 8-2. 8-2. Manu Singh points 8. Ambazari points 2. Match is running. What a playing players. Who is win? This is good game. Right, 9-2. Service goes to Manu Singh. 9-2. Manu Singh points 9. Ambazari points 2. Match is running. This is morning match, first match. 2-9. Players are playing well. What a playing. Manu Singh players and Ambazari players. Two team players are playing as well. What a shots. Final ball, game ball, Manu Singh. Last ball. Final ball, game ball, last ball, Manu Singh. What a shot by Manu Singh player. This is a wonderful game, challenging game. Right, 2 game. Ambazari points 2. Service goes to Ambazari. 2 game. Ambazari points 2. Manu Singh game ball. It's a wonderful match. Morning match. First match. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. What a match. What a taken. All players playing well. 3 game. Ambazari points 3. Service goes to Ambazari. What a match. The morning match, first match. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. Ambazari points 3. Monu Singh game ball. Match is running. What a playing players. Monu Singh players and Ambazari players. Hitting, shots, techniques. What a taken by players. Yes, this is morning match. First match. This is challenging game. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. Ambazari points 3. Monu Singh game ball. What a taken. What a match. Two team players are powerful play. Monu Singh, Mohan versus Avinash. Who is win? This is good game. Morning match. Ambazari points 3. Monu Singh game ball. Yes. What a match. What a shots. What a takens. Powerful players. Monu Singh players and Ambazari players. Senior players, junior players. Hitters. What a match. This is match. Home ground Ambazari. Home grounds. Ambazari versus Monu Singh match. Ambazari captains Mohan. Monu Singh captains Avinash. Ambazari points 3. Monu Singh game ball. Match is running. What a shots. Yes. It's good game. Challenging game. Interesting game. Powerful game. I think this is high voltage game. What a shot. Right, 4 game. Ambazari points 4. Monu Singh game. Service goes to Ambazari. Players Uttam. What a game. 4 game. Yes. Match is running. Match continued. What a taken. This is wonderful game. Wonderful match. Morning match. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. Monu Singh players. Very technical playing. What a shot. Monu Singh player. Ambazari players are taken well. What a playing players. Service goes to Ambazari. 5 game. 5 game. Ambazari points 5. What a match. What a match. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. Yes. Players are playing well. Who is the effective player? Impact player. 2 teams players are playing as well. What a shot. Right, final ball, game ball, last ball, Monu Singh. Monu Singh versus Ambazari. Final ball. Ambazari finds 5. Monu Singh, last ball, final ball, game ball. First match, early morning match. Monu Singh versus Ambazari. This is Ambazari own grounds. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. Match continued. Yes, players are playing well. What a playing. What a technique. Yes. Monu Singh lost ball. Sanjay. Ambasari plays. Sanjay service. 5 game. Ambasari points 5. Monu Singh points game. Game ball. Right. Match is running. What a weather. Weather is good. Very cool. But playing is very hot. This is good match. 6 game. Service goes to Monu Singh. Final ball. This is game ball. Monu Singh versus Ambasari. First match. Monu Singh game ball. Ambasari 6 points. Who is won? Match is very tension. Yes. Wow, what a taken. Wow. Monu Singh players are playing well. What a shots. What a takens. Good match. Morning match. First match. Yes. Good match. Good playing. Yes. First match. Ambasari versus Monu Singh. Mohan versus Avinash. 6 game. Who is win? क्या हुआ देख लूंगा. What a shot. Ambasari players are, Monu Singh players are playing as well. Shots, kicks, takens well. But game ball, Monu Singh. This is final ball, last ball. Service goes to Ambasari captain Mohan. 6 game. 6 game. Ambasari's captain Mohan service. 6 game. Ambasari points 6. Monu Singh points game ball. What a match. Tension match. Who is win? Okay, 5 game. What a match. Yes, 5 game. Ambasari points 5. And Monu Singh game ball. Final ball. What a match. The morning match. Yes, good taken. Good hitting. Good match. What a match. What a taken. 5 game. Ambasari points 5. Monu Singh game ball. What a taken. What a taken. Monu Singh players are playing as well. Good game. This is home ground from Ambasari. Match Ambasari versus Monu Singh. What a match. What a match. Good match. Good playing. Good players. Good teams. Who is won? Weather is cool. Very cool. Match is running. Tension. 5 game. Ambasari service. What a shot. Yes. What a shots. What a taken. What a placements. 2 teams playing well. This is a challenging game. Interesting game. Powerful game. Mohan versus. Service goes to Ambasari 6 game. Service goes to Ambasari captain Mohan. 6 game. What a match. This is morning match. First match, Ambasari versus Monu Singh match. Match is running. What a match. What a match. Players are playing well. Whoa. Service goes to Ambasari 7 game. Ambasari captains Mohan service 7 game. Ambasari point 7. Monu Singh game ball. What a match. What a match. What a rising Ambasari plays. This is rising game. Good match. Good shots. Yes. Players are playing as well. Ambasari players and Monu Singh players playing very well. Who is 1 point? What a match. What a game. 7 game. Ambasari point 7. Monu Singh points game. Game ball. What a match. Tension. Who is 1? What a shot. Match is very cool. Players are cooling. Players well cool. What a shots. Think. What a match. Super match. This is morning match. First match Ambasari versus Monu Singh. Ambasari points 7. What a taken.